What if I told you that an idol once destined for one temple spoke in a dream and chose another? That a 1500-year-old mystery still breathes in the valley between two hills? Welcome to the Malayankija Sri Krishna Swami Temple, where legends come alive and prayers echo through time. Long ago, when Lord Krishna left Dwarka, it is said that his idol disappeared into the waters. A devout Vilvamangalam Swamiyar received a vision. Krishna himself appeared, guiding him to retrieve the sacred idol. The idol was meant for the Sri Vallabha temple in Thiruvalla, but fate had other plans. On the very day of consecration, the Swamiyar dreamt again. "Take me to Malayankija," said the Lord. And thus, the Lord of Dwarka found his eternal home here. This isn't just a temple, it's a timeline etched in stone. From the mighty Travancore kings to renowned divans like Sir T. Madhava Rao. But Malayankija is not just a spiritual home. It's a cradle of Malayalam literature. From the poetic verses of Madhava Panika to the Bhagavad Gita that echoed from these very walls. Long before Tunchat Ezuthachan gave us his Gita, Malayankija Madhavan translated it right here. And among the temple's most devoted admirers was a poetess whose lullaby cradled a nation. Kutti Kunju Thankachi, daughter of Iriamman Tambi, the composer of Omanathinkal Kidavo, found her soul not in the royal shrine of Sri Padmanabha Swami, but here, in the gentle smile of Malayankija Krishna. She called him Ambadi Krishna, her personal divine child. In his eyes, she found music. In his murti, she found motherhood itself. Step inside, and you'll meet Krishna in his youthful, radiant form, charming, yet deeply divine. And then, there's the Nalambalam, a sacred enclosure so spiritually intense. Even women aren't allowed inside, but men wearing dhoti are allowed. Devotees say, prayers whispered here always come true. The Panchaloha idol of Thiruvalla is installed here. That is 5 idols of Ganpati, Shiva, Ayappa, Nagaraja and Brahma Rakshas. All reside here in divine harmony. From a dream-guided destiny to a festival of light and law, Malayankija Sri Krishna Swami Temple isn't just history. It's living divinity. If you ever visit the Malayankija Sri Krishna Swami Temple is just 15 kilometers east of Thiruvananthapuram city, in Kerala. And follow the 2 hills, Mankunnu Mala and Elumala, that cradle this ancient treasure. Follow the echoes, because Krishna is still calling. From the Valley of Legends. Like, share, subscribe for more stories from the soul of India. Tap the bell icon to uncover the next hidden temple.